The TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter kit allows you to extend your Ethernet connection using existing electrical wiring, making it perfect for areas where traditional routers or range extenders fall short. With its HomePlug AV2 technology, this adapter kit delivers impressive AV1000 Powerline speeds, ensuring reliable connectivity even through thick walls and other obstacles. Featuring a gigabit port, the adapter provides secure and fast wired connections to a variety of devices such as desktops, smart televisions, and gaming consoles. The plug, pair, and play setup simplifies installation, allowing users to establish a secure Powerline network without the need for additional wiring or complex configurations. An integrated power socket with noise filtering technology ensures that you do not lose an outlet, while also improving the overall performance of the Powerline network. The power saving mode is a great feature that reduces power consumption by up to 85%, contributing to energy efficiency.